Hello friends, welcome back to Happiness Mantra. Today's video is to share more about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and to understand why we celebrate the Rashtriya Ekta Divas. Rashtriya Ekta Divas or National Unity Day is celebrated every year on 31st October. It is a tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was born on this day in 1875. He was fondly known as the Iron Man of India or Lauh Purush. Sardarji was a great freedom fighter and became the first deputy PM of free India. He was instrumental in uniting the 565 princely states and provinces and creating a united India. This is why his birthday is celebrated as the National Unity Day. This day was declared by the Government of India in 2014 to reaffirm the inherent strength and resilience of our nation to withstand the actual and potential threats to unity, integrity, and security of our country. Prime Minister Modi inaugurated a 597 feet statue of Sardar Patel on 31st October 2018 in Gujarat. This Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue. Run for Unity is also organized to commemorate this day and celebrate unity in diversity. Thank you.